Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Here is another recipe video that is easy chicken drumstick fry. The ingredients required are 6 chicken drumsticks. I have put deep cuts on the pieces so that the marinade will be absorbed well. Then we need 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as needed. And we need some oil. Now let's add the chicken pieces into a bowl. Add the remaining masalas, that is the ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now mix them well and let's marinate them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I have marinated the chicken for about 15 minutes. Now let's fry them. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil needed to shallow fry them. Keep the flame on medium and once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. We need to fry them until we get nice dark brown color on both the sides. It takes around 30 to 35 minutes since we are shallow frying it. So turn each side and fry them perfectly. Now it's perfectly done. Now switch off the flame. And this step is optional. Here I am adding a teaspoon of barbecue sauce, or you can even add tomato sauce if you love the taste. I like the smoky taste and that's why I have added barbecue sauce. Now let's transfer the chicken into a dish. Now this is the easiest and tastiest chicken fry recipe anybody can try. And this is my mom's recipe. Please try this and give a thumbs up if you like it. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest and thanks for watching.